Oh
Hello.
my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look who's there.
Hello, how are you?
Hey, I'm good, guys. Oh my god!
Nice to meet you.
A YouTuber from Uganda on the way.
Yes,
Welcome.
thank you. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Nice to see you guys. This is your place. This is your
our
Dubai
place.
office.
This is my small, cozy home. I would say office plus home.
Very nice, actually.
Thank you so much,
Yeah.
and thank you so much. Welcome to Dubai.
Thank
Officially.
you. Officially.
Guys, let me
Hi,
introduce you to a
guys.
friend.
Yeah.
She's one of the well-known YouTubers. You might have seen her face. If you search on YouTube, connect with Uganda,
Yes.
you're gonna find her.
Yes.
And thank you so much again for visiting.
Of course, I had to come and say hello. We've been chatting a lot.
Yes, of
So
course.
I'd come and
We are in the
say hi.
there's a group we have. It's called Ugandan.
Ugandan YouTubers
Mhm.
community. Yeah, so Ugandan PAL content creators community. So that's how we know each other. Because you also are YouTuber.
Mhm.
Before you were famous on TikTok, you were doing YouTube.
Yes,
I
before.
think these like people who know you from back then. You're just doing YouTube, but now you're more of a TikToker. So
Yes, exactly.
yeah. I've come to the African advisor for some tips because I'm new in Dubai, so
Alright.
you have to meet and connect to the right people.
Thank you so much. Yes,
Yeah.
of course, we begin the advice, and
Yeah.
yes, exactly. So she's here. She's actually a content creator. She does
Mainly
From-
real estate content.
real estate content in
Yeah.
Uganda, of course, and now she's here as well. She wants to venture in Dubai,
Yeah.
real estate, property, and all this
Yeah.
stuff. So, best
Yeah.
wishes for you, by the way.
Thank you.
Thank you
Just
so
want
much.
to see the opportunities here,
Dubai is a place of opportunities, by the way.
That's what I've
Multicultural,
heard.
open, yes.
That's what
So
I've heard.
it depends when you find the right track.
Mm.
You're good to go. You know, one of our YouTubers from Uganda, Rachael, is
Of
also
course,
there.
yes, Rashid.
So Rashid freestyler. So he
Yeah.
also alhamdulillah found the right
Mm.
track, and he's in a good place now.
Okay.
So best wishes for you too.
Thank you.
You're
That's
welcome.
nice. I'm glad to see this place.
Oh, thank you.
I know I can always pass by.
Oh yes, by the way, yes, you're always welcome. Rachel, who's behind the camera right now,
Yeah.
is always here, and yes, you're always welcome to the office for a cup of tea or
Yeah.
anything.
So let me ask, so you guys are helping out Africans specifically? Because I know African advisor, we see you African content. So that's what you guys are doing here.
Yes, actually, I started this office because of Africans. So
Oh, wow.
yes, so that's the you can say this,
Mm.
and many people usually ask me,
Mm.
even from other nationalities, you just work with Africans? Actually, work with everybody, but mostly
You're
Africans.
specializing.
You with Africans,
So
and
you
want to
like
help them.
visas?
We do visit visas
Mm,
if you're back home.
mm,
Then we do freelance visas.
mm.
Then we do A2A if you're inside the country, you want to do visa change, we do
Mm.
that visa change.
Okay.
Then, okay, now I'm Nesty as this is a Nesty,
Mm,
but in regular days or normal time,
mm.
we do overstay fine application reduction, then abscond application. So we do all those stuff as well.
So when people
Yes.
have issues,
Yes,
help
if
them
issues
out.
with overstaying. Then also,
Mm.
if somebody, for example,